Hello, Namaskaram. Welcome to Vastranand. In today's episode, I will show you the very pretty, the soft silk material with namely artistically Meenakari patterns with the top two color combination. Same design, same price range, only different color combination. Two color. First one is a purple, and second one is the baby pink color combination. Let's start the video. Here you can see the first color. The dark purple with a contrast Rani pink color combination with a multi-color combination. The multi-stripe designs in a border part with both sides of this saree. We have more than 4,500 plus designs in our application as well as in our website. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS devices. And you can explore different category, different price range and affordable price point. Here you can see the pallu part. In pallu parts here you see the full pink color combination, the rich pallu with you've got very unique black color combination, the reason the tassels part. Here you can see the full look of this body part. In entire the body you receive the different style of this namely artistically designs with a Meenakari pink color combination touch up in entire the body. Here you can see the softness of this material, lightweighted breathable fabric and totally skin friendly, the very pretty the soft silk material. Here you can see the contrast Rani pink color combination, the border part. The same size border you receive the both side of the saree, and the saree you received at just rupees 1,550 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available. Kashmir to Kanyakumari you receive the free shipping, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the Rani pink color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime, anywhere with any language. Totally we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call services also available. So must be booked one day before via our customer care executive number 8154000063, and you can explore wild variety range, more than 4,500 plus designs. Let's start the second. Last but not least, the top trending baby pink color combination with a very unique Rama color combination, contrast border part. Same designs, only color range are different and affordable. Price point 1,550 free shipping all over India. Here you can see the top trending baby pink color combination in body parts with a Rama color combination, the border as well as in pallu part. Here you can see the rich pallu with a Rama color combination with a very unique chiku color combination, resin red, that's this part. Here you can see the golden zari butta with Rama color combination Meenakari palette in entire body as well as in border part with a 3 unique pink color combination Meenakari detailing with a 4 unique Rama color combination border. You receive the both side of this saree part. The saree you received at just rupees 1,550 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost with contrast Rama color combination, full brocade blouse. This was from Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.